Got the 70 C10 up by the shop, and I'm going to wash her off. Blow all that dirt off of it. It has been sitting outside since I got it running. It did sprinkle a few times, so there's not quite as much dirt on it, but it's still pretty dirty. Looks like it's got some fungus growing on this side. But we'll do a little walk around here and see what kind of crud and dirt's all over it. And all the clear coat is peeling. It'll probably blow all that off, and it'll probably blow my letters off back here. Looks like there's some fungus growing on the bumper. More clear coat peeling, weird stuff going on. We'll get her cleaned up here. And this used to be my daily driver for quite a while. Like I said, until gas started going high back there. That's been quite a while ago when it first started going crazy. And then I started driving something that got a little bit better gas mileage. Okay, it's all washed off and clean, unless I really wanted to scrub on it. But it blew a bunch of clear coat off and dirt and some fungus and some kind of black crap. It was all over it. Might have been mold. We lost a piece of something there. That might have been gone before. Did lose most of my letters back here. Did blow a spot off there. A little bit of Bondo. She does have some Bondo in it because I got in an accident once. And I screwed up the back of it. What else? Not a whole lot more. Just, there you can see the clear coat's gone. It's getting faded. I noticed I lost some paint on there. There's a bunch of flaws showing up. I knew the windshield was bad. I can't remember, it started getting a little crack there, and that's gotten progressively worse. Tires are junk. I wouldn't mind going for a drive in it, but I wouldn't trust them. Blew all the mud daubers off. Actually, you can see one fell down there. There was a bunch of them there and a bunch of them over there. Grill looks pretty good. That's the original grill to it. Most of it is original stuff to the truck, but used to be my daily. Drove that truck a lot, back and forth to work for years, but that was before I painted it. Don't look too bad from here, like 20 feet away. And it looks good wet. But if you stood back about 100 foot, it'd probably look damn good. Well, if you enjoyed it, like, subscribe, share, and comment. Thanks for watching. You know, I'd have to say, if this is actually recording, which it might not be, that this camera, for whatever reason lately, has been screwing up. I did a nice little walk around and talked about the truck for a while, and it didn't record. And it screwed up over at the racetrack. Didn't get my fastest 6:80 eighth mile time on there. And I was also out here working on the Oliver one day, and there was fighter jets flying around, and I was videoing them. Thought I had a bunch of good footage, and didn't get none of it. This camera stuff pisses me off. Modern technology bullshit makes me want to smash it with a sledgehammer. So if I do that, I won't be able to film anything. But I did get a GoPro lately, and I thought about filming this with a GoPro, which maybe I should have, because I filmed washing the engine. I think there was a couple other little clips I did too that ain't even on the camera, so I don't know. That's my bitching and ranting for the moment.